Now let's try to multiply two numbers here. So one number, let's say, is 0 1 0 1 1. So this number is actually 11, and the other number, let's say, is 0 1 1 1 0. So this is 14. So now I want to multiply these two numbers. Now I'll try to take this number as the multiplier, let's say q, and this number as the multiplicand. Now I'll try to multiply these two numbers using the Booth's algorithm. Now before going to Booth's algorithm, now if you try to do it with the normal partial sum method, then what happens here is, in the partial sum method you need 5 shifts, 1 2 3 4 5 shifts, and then 3 additions, right? But if you go with Booth's algorithm, it will be even better. I'll just show you how it is done. Now one simple observation is, Booth's algorithm will try to note that, or will try to find out that it is having a block of ones, right? In case in this example we have only one block of ones, sometimes we might have more than one blocks, then also the same method will apply. I'll just show you later. Now here in this small example I have taken only one block of ones. Now this block of ones can be written as, since this is 2 power 0 2 power 1, so it is 2 power 1, and 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, therefore it is 2 power 4. So it is written as 2 power 4 minus 2 power 1 into m. Now if I am going to multiply with this 2 power 4 minus 2 power 1 into m, then it could be expanded this way, 2 power 4 into m minus, or I can write plus 2 power 1 into minus m. Right? So initially you can find out minus m. So in order to find out minus m, we are going to use one addition or one subtraction, right? So 0 minus 1 m is going to be addition or subtraction, isn't it? So 0 minus m. So how can they find out? It is simply minus m. So minus m is going to be here in this case. So 1 0 1 0 1. Right? So this is minus m. Okay, now 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is minus m, and now this is multiplied with 2, right? So multiplying with 2 is nothing but left shifting with, right? Therefore minus. So you have to remember that this entire number is going to be a negative number, therefore always the most significant bit here has to be 1, right? So here as of now it is 1. Okay, now this has to be added with 2 power 4 into m. Now what is m? This one. Now what is 2 power 4 into m? It is nothing but m has to be left shifted 4 times, right? So you are going to get 4 zeros in the least significant 4 bits, and then you have to write m. So what is m? This one. So it is 1 1 0 1 0, isn't it? 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, right? So this is this number. Now these two have to be added. Now in case if you are going to add these two, you are supposed to fill these 3 bits, and these 3 bits, if you try to fill it with zeros, this negative number will become a positive number. That is why you do sign extension filling, right? So this is what is going to be happening. Now if you observe it, what has happened here is, one shift we have applied here, and then 4 shifts we have applied here, therefore a total of 5 shifts are totally done. And then in order to find out minus m, either you are doing one subtraction or one addition, right? So let us say here one subtraction is done, and again one addition is done. So you can consider it as 2 addition operations, or one subtraction and one addition. Anyway, time is going to be same, so you can consider it as one addition is done and one subtraction is done, right? Minus m. And now we are going to have how many shifts? 5 shifts. So this is what is done using Booth's method. So therefore using Booth's method, it is much better, isn't it? Compare when you see these additions. Now if you go with the normal method, you have to go with 3 additions, right? Now as and when this block of ones, the size of the block of ones increases, you will even see much better efficiency or improvement using this method, instead of going with the normal partial sums method. Now if you add these two, what is the result going to be? It is going to be 0 1 0 1 1. It is 1 0 1 0. It is 1, yeah, 1 0 1 1 1 0. Since it is 2's complement addition, you can ignore it, right? So the number is going to be, what is this value? This is 11, this is 14, so this has to be 154. You check it. Okay, so 154 is the multiplication of these two numbers. Now how to do this? So how does our boost algorithm mimic this entire procedure is, I'll just show you how it is going to be done. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.